Again, I have moved to a new location, and I have been told that I can use the basement for whatever I want. It's super dark here, and so I'll just show you what I have here. It's not too bad. Okay, there you go. I am thinking of a little man cave here. I've been told I need to remove everything first because there's lots of shit that no one cares about here. No one cleaned here for God knows how long. And yeah, this could be a really cool spot. I could have like a resin printers here and some other printers, a proper like bench over there to record videos and do other DIY stuff. So yeah, this is just beneath my flat. So this is really cool. And I'll be living here for some time now. Probably several years, I'm guessing. So this might be a good project. The walls might need some insulating and other extra work. Like here, it's all looking rather bleak. But yeah, it's not too damp here. I'm sure I can make it work. So yeah, that's it. A little update, and thanks for watching.